Okay, this is my friend's table. When I did these projects, I said that I was going to go visit my friend and set it up on her table. So this is a setup, and you see how large her table is. Everything looks beautiful. It's absolutely stunning with this wood. I love the way this wood looks. And these dishes. And just remember, this is all dollar store, 99-cent store. And if you saw this setup, you would definitely think that this was bought like this. I think it came out absolutely beautiful. I love the way the mirrors came with the hooks. It represents ocean, beach, and I just think it looks absolutely stunning. This is nighttime.